This is a quick tutorial on the Echo on how to clean the encoder strip and the carriage rail. Super simple. You'll need a cleaning swab prepped with alcohol. If you don't have these, then you'll need some alcohol and a lint-free cloth, and you can cut it into a small piece. So we'll start with unlocking the print head. So I'm going to open up my swab pack. It's basically this clear film strip that I'm cleaning. You want to do this once every 2 weeks, because when you're printing, you're going to get a lot of overspray, and that overspray goes onto this clear strip. Don't be afraid to get your hands in here, just don't pull too far. And then we're going to just go across. We need to get both sides of this, okay? See, look at that. There's a lot of dirt there. Dirt or dried ink, dust. Now we got to get the other side. So I'll just put my index finger here. And your fingers need to be clean before you do this, because if you have anything on it, it's going to get more buildup on this film strip or encoder strip. Okay, we're good there. Now we need to clean the carriage rail. Have to be very careful with this. I'm using some lubricant here. I'm getting on a lint-free cloth. I'm just going to spray it. I want to get it very lightly, so I'm just going to fold this in half so that it gets absorbed on the other side. Now I'm just going to come under here and just rub the carriage rail. Make sure that we clean top and bottom. Okay, now I'm going to move the print head out of the way. See, look at that already. We've got a lot of dirt on there. A lot of dirt, a lot of ink, a lot of dust. We just don't want to over lubricate this. Depending on how much printing you're doing, you might have to do this more often than 2 weeks. If you're a high production user, you probably want to do this once a week. Then we'll lock the print head back in place like we always do. And it's ready to go. We can just start it up and we're ready to rock and roll. Any questions, just feel free to contact us. Thanks.